name is Paola and I'm an acupuncturist here at the 5E Wellness Lab.
Hi, my name's Ben. I'm President of the UK chapter of the Alchemy Guild and a Doctor of Oriental Medicines here at the 5E Wellness Lab.
Today we're going to talk about one of the most common conditions we see coming through the door. Dr. Palmer, can you talk to us about sciatica?
Sure. So sciatica is a common condition where someone has pain running down the back of their leg. From traditional and modern medicine, we view it differently. In modern medicine, sciatica is attributed to an impinged nerve or a trapped nerve in the lower back running down the back of the leg, causing pain. And in traditional medicine, sciatica is attributed to the nerve being chilled, so cold. When the nerve becomes cold, it becomes stiff, and the stiffness causes friction, and the friction sends a pain signal up and down the nerve.
Dr. Palmer, what sort of treatments do we get in the modern world and in the traditional Chinese medicine world?
So in modern medicine, they would usually treat this condition with a hydrocortisone injection. This would numb the nerve for about 4 to 6 months, and if it gets very severe, they do an operation into the lower back. In traditional medicines, the sciatica would be treated usually with acupuncture to bring circulation to the nerve itself, or the most common or most effective remedy would be fire cupping.
That sounds a bit scary. What is fire cupping?
So in fire cupping, we use a glass cup with a flame in that cup to create a vacuum, and that cup's just placed onto the leg to draw out some of the cold. When the cold's been drawn out, the nerve comes back to normal temperature and is allowed to free itself from its entrapment.
Is that painful?
It's not painful at all. It feels a bit like a love bite.
So, Dr. Palmer, what advice would we give people if they are suffering from sciatica now?
So the best advice that we could give for sciatica would be to keep the area as warm as possible, avoid any cold drinks and food, and when you're sleeping, make sure that you're wearing pyjamas or you've got a cover on you, the windows closed. Any kind of exposure to the cold is going to make this worse. Anything like a hot water bottle or a heat bag that you put in the microwave is going to give you some relief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.